Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel MBBS and BDS lectures. Today our topic is related to differential diagnosis and investigation of appendicitis. Before going to explanation, if you want to watch the same lecture in Urdu Hindi, I already upload the same lecture in Urdu Hindi on my YouTube channel. Go and watch that video. But if you want to watch in English language, then this video is for you. Now today our topic is differential diagnosis and investigation of appendicitis. Before this video, I was made the 3 video of appendicitis series which present on my YouTube channel. In first video, I was explain the definition and surgical anatomy of appendicitis. In second video, I was explain the causes and signs and symptoms of appendicitis. In third video, I was explain the physical examination of appendicitis patient. But now today is the 4th video of appendicitis series in which we will study the differential diagnosis and investigations of appendicitis. After this video, in last video, which is the 5th video of appendicitis series, we will study the management of appendicitis. Now today video is differential diagnosis and investigation of appendicitis. First we start from differential diagnosis. In differential diagnosis, we will study the separate of in differential diagnosis in children, adult female, elderly patient. First, differential diagnosis in children. There are 3 differential diagnoses of appendicitis in children. Number 1, gastroenteritis. Number 2, mesenteric adenitis. Number 3, mecal diverticulitis. Now come to the adult. In adult, also 3 differential diagnoses. Number 1, regional enteritis. Number 2, ureteric colic. Number 3, pyelonephritis. In adult female, there will be 2 differential diagnoses. Number 1, ectopic pregnancy. Number 2, rupture of ovarian cyst. In elderly patient, there are 3 differential diagnoses of appendicitis. Number 1, diverticulitis. Number 2, intestinal obstruction. Number 3, colonic carcinoma. These are the differential diagnoses of appendicitis in children, adult female, elderly patient. Now come to the investigations. In investigation, we do 3 investigation for appendicitis. Number 1, routine investigation. In routine investigation, we do full blood count, and number 2, TLC, total leukocyte count. Now, when we do total leukocyte count, the total leukocyte value will be from 15,000 to 16,000. This show appendicitis. When TLC value is from 15,000 to 16,000, it show appendicitis. And also when neutrophil value is rise, mean differential leukocyte count. DLC, when DLC also rise and neutrophil, especially neutrophil is rise in DLC, differential leukocyte count, it show appendicitis. This is the routine investigation. Second is selective investigation. In selective investigation, for female we do pregnancy test for ectopic pregnancy. Number 2, we do supine abdominal radiograph for both male and female. Number 3, ultrasound and CT scan of abdomen. These are the selective investigation. The third is the Alvarado score for appendicitis. In Alvarado score for appendicitis, we basically watch 3 things. Number 1, symptoms. Number 2, signs. Number 3, laboratory finding. For symptoms, also there is score. For signs, also there is score. And for laboratory finding, there is also score. In symptoms, the 3 things is come. In science also 3 things is come. In laboratory finding, 2 things is come. First, in symptoms, migrating right iliac fossa pain. Number 2, anorexia. Number 3, nausea or vomiting. Score per migrating right iliac fossa is 1, for anorexia also 1, for nausea also 1. These three things are comes in symptoms. In sign also 3 signs. Number 1, tenderness in right iliac fossa. Number 2, rebound tenderness in right iliac fossa. Number 3, elevate temperature mean fever. Score per tenderness in right iliac fossa is 2. Rebound tenderness in right iliac fossa score is 1. Elevate temperature fever score is also 1. Now come to laboratory finding. In laboratory finding, again 2 things come. Number 1, leukocytosis, which score is 2. Number 2, shift to the left mean rise neutrophil, which score is 1. Now Alvarado score for appendicitis total value total score is 10. How? In symptoms, migrating right iliac fossa score is 1, anorexia score is 1, nausea score is 1. The total value per symptoms is 3. 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. Now in sign, tenderness in right iliac fossa value is 2. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. And rebound tenderness in right iliac fossa score also is 1. 5 plus 1 6, plus 1 7, plus 2 9, and plus 1 10. Total score is 10 when we add the value of symptom, sign and laboratory finding. Mean total score per Alvarado score per appendicitis, total score value is 10. Now how we remember which symptoms, which things are comes in symptoms, which things are comes in sign, and which things are comes in laboratory finding. For this there is a simple mnemonic: MANTRALS, MANTRELS. In MANTRALS, M mean migrating right iliac fossa pain, A mean anorexia, N mean nausea, T mean tenderness in right iliac fossa, R mean rebound tenderness in right iliac fossa, E mean elevate temperature mean fever, and L mean leukocytosis, S mean shift to the left mean rise neutrophil. This is the mnemonic for Alvarado score for appendicitis. Now how we decide by Alvarado score patient have appendicitis or not? For this we watch the range value of Alvarado score. If the Alvarado score range from 7 to 10, value range from 7 to 10, it show appendicitis, mean appendicitis is confirmed. If value range from 5 to 6, it show possible, mean possibility of appendicitis. If score value is from 4 or less than 4, it show no appendicitis, mean there is no appendicitis. By Alvarado score we confirm by this method. Now today our topic is complete, in which we study differential diagnosis of appendicitis and investigation of appendicitis. In last video we will study the management of appendicitis. Now today our video is complete. If you like my video, press the like button and share this video with your friends. If you are new to my channel, subscribe my channel by pressing the red subscribe button, and also press the bell icon to open the all notification for receiving my each new video notification. For watching my videos, I am very thankful to you. Thank you very much.